If you spend a lot of time working or playing on a laptop, you know sometimes that portability has a downside, and that's limited screen real estate. One way to organize and expand your workspace is by adding an external monitor. I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets Canada and Tech Gadgets International, and I've been reviewing many different monitors over the last couple of years in my quest to find the perfect one for my work-from-home life. I need one that's both clear and easy on the eyes, has good screen resolution and color quality since I do a lot of video and document work. The newest monitor I bought is the HP 27M, a 27-inch high-definition or HD monitor. In this review, I'll tell you what it's like to set up and install, what it's like to use for audio, video, photos, and documents, and whether I think it's a good choice for you. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and consider becoming a subscriber, since both those things do help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. And don't forget, if you want to read, reference, or share this review, head over to techgadgetscanada.com for the full write-up. This monitor is pretty much plug and play when it comes to the setup. Just plug in the power, then use the included HDMI cable to connect to your computer or laptop. I had the HP 27-inch HD monitor connected to my Apple MacBook Pro in seconds. There is only the single HDMI input for this monitor, but there is also a VGA connector, though a VGA cable isn't included. This monitor comes with a tilt feature, but not pivot, swivel, or height adjustment. It also does not have a VESA monitor adapter for transferring it to a monitor arm or a wall mount. There are also no built-in speakers. This monitor is a 27-inch monitor, which I'm realizing for me personally is a little on the smaller size for the work that I do, but it certainly does add lots of screen space over my 15-inch laptop. This monitor has a really great edge-to-edge design with pretty much no bezel on three sides and a very small one across the bottom. The entire monitor is extremely thin, though it does widen a bit near the bottom, yet it weighs hardly anything at all, making it easy to move if you need to. Cable management is also decent. The cables plug into the back and fall easily down the back of your desk, and they aren't really visible while you're working. The stand, though, is big and clunky, and it takes up a decent footprint on my smaller desk. The other thing to make note of here too is that if you also prefer to work with your laptop above you like I do, because this monitor can't be height adjusted at all and there's no mounting option, I had to place it on a box to get it at eye level. Crude, but it works. This monitor is an HD monitor, and while a lot of folks are upgrading to 4K these days, those monitors can be very costly. If you don't have a specific need for ultra high resolution or UHD, or your monitor is for kids to use or just occasional use, getting away with an HD monitor can actually be a really good choice, since these tend to be extremely inexpensive. After working on this monitor for several weeks, I can say that for an HD monitor, the HP 27M is reasonably clear and sharp, it's easy to read, and it seems to have good color replication. If it seems like I'm less than bowled over by this monitor, it's probably because I've recently been spoiled by using a 4K monitor for a while. The Huawei MateView 4K monitor has been my go-to for a few months now, so going down in resolution is noticeable. But even so, the HP 27M is a fine monitor. The viewing angles on this monitor are pretty good. It's easily possible to see clearly even off to the side or when you're standing. There is also some anti-glare technology in the panel, and I found it did seem to resist a lot of glare during bright days. There's not a lot of flashy other features. This basic workhorse monitor is made for people who need more screen and just don't want to fuss. For that reason, it is a fantastically easy plug-and-play computer monitor. So let's recap. When it comes to using this monitor for work, it's decent in quality. It's clear and easy to read, it's a good size, and the edge-to-edge design lets me focus on what's in front of me, not on the monitor's lines. If you're shopping around for HD monitors, this one checks all the basic boxes. So what are the downsides? Well, there is limited movement and adjustments you can make on this monitor using the included stand, and there's no VESA adapter to get it up and off your desk. But if you only need a simple HD monitor, this one will do the job handily. This monitor is a great combination of basics and affordable price. It sells for about $199 US, and you can get it, as I did, from Amazon. For my personal taste though, I think I'm going to check out another 4K monitor, and I'll be looking for one I can put on a monitor arm. But don't take my word for it. Will it pass the puppy test? Will Rainey appreciate the HP 27M monitor?
Rainy, did I catch you watching cat videos again on my HP monitor?
You can see my full review of the Huawei MateView 4K monitor, or check out the amazing adaptability of the LG Ultrafine Ergo right now.